Hello again, a new day, the same old project, a few days before, a few nights before, in fact, we had a really big storm around here with a lot of thunders and a lot of, electric activity, let's call it. And since then, my miner, it's stuck on beacons, on sending, on TX only, if I may say so. I got no more witnesses, and today I'm feeling a little bit better. I still have a flu running, and hopefully it's not COVID, but it's not COVID, of course. And I said to myself, okay, today I'm feeling pretty okay, and I will start checking the things. I went in the attic, the antenna and the cables is looking okay, everything is fine. So there is my wireless radio with this antenna here. Just a simple setup, it's just a very simple antenna. And I was just checking the radio environment around 868 megahertz. Well, I can see some activity, it's okay. So the things are running somehow, but suddenly, going in and out, look what I found. Around 869.8 megahertz. Look there. Look at these guys. This is huge. I never saw this signal before. Of course, it's at the end of the LoRa band, because LoRa band in Europe should be 863 to 870. But look at this guy. I don't know what is this. It's maybe a security camera or... Anyway, it's sending. It's like a beacon. I really don't know if this one can problem or influence, the LoRa reception in this area. But as long as we are here, we can give a test. So we got this with a peak of 51. We can give a try to see if a filter can clean this guy. So let me have a filter, 2.3 dB. I never saw this signal before, kind of strange. I don't understand what is happening there, but we'll find out. All right, so now you see the filter, it's in between the radio and let's check the result. So it feels like it doesn't help too much. But why? Let's check why. Of course, because the filter, as we can see here, we got 870 megahertz right here. And it's still under the top of the band. So this frequency, it's not going outside, which starts being around, let's say, 808 megahertz. So in this situation, the filter can help me. But anyway, this is a really interesting experiment. Yeah, so this is very clear. In this situation, because of the proximity of the frequency, you see it's 869, almost 1.8 megahertz higher than the middle band. The filter is inefficient. It can't change anything. But if I move the antenna, this is kind of interesting. I don't know, maybe is this related to my new router here? Not at all, so it's not a matter of the new router up there, which, you see, it was out, but still have the same. This is interesting. If you encounter something similar, please let me know. I really don't know what is this guy doing here, what this signal means, but anyway, it's very close with the mid 868, so it's very possible to have a bad influence about the reception. And like I said before, the SAW filter, it's covering like 8 megahertz or something, so it can't be helpful in this situation. The parasite, or let's say the disturbing radio frequency is too close to the main or the middle frequency we are using in LoRa. If you have any idea what that kind of signal means, where it's from, because I don't think this is a sensor. LoRa usually it's sending once per minute or maybe once per hour, or anyway, it doesn't pulsing like that all the time. And also you can see there very clear some other. You see, if I'm doing a kind of fox hunting, we call it. It's somewhere in the south maybe or north. I don't know. This is really interesting. I'm not even sure if this is a LoRa signal. It have a certain structure. Let's check it out. No, it doesn't look like a LoRa signal, but some other kind of LoRa signal. Let me see if I can catch one. Another structure. It's a kind of zigzag looking into the wave. Well, I can't get you one like that. But anyway, I observed that it's a kind of, like I said, the kind of zigzag in the signal. It's looking absolutely different. Okay guys, I hope it's interesting and I hope it's useful. If you have any question, please write them down, and like usually, please like, please subscribe, and okay, let's have some fun once in a while. Bye bye.